You might think it's cute, but I'm here to tell you snoring is not normal. Sure, if they just run around Disneyland for 12 hours straight and pass out in the car, head flopped back, mouth wide open, a little snore might slide out, but that's situational. But routine snoring every night, that's a red flag. Snoring is caused by vibration of the soft tissues in the throat due to a restricted airway. And while snoring can be a punchline in sitcoms, in real life, it's often a warning sign. And in children, those soft tissues should be vibrant and firm. So if they're already snoring now when everything should be at its peak, just imagine what it'll be like when they're 40.